Welcome back to 20 Car, a thunderstorm rolling across the plains. A locomotive screaming through the night. The 2025 Ford F-150 concept is power incarnate, an iron fist wrapped in the silk of innovation. It stands taller, wider, and more sculpted than ever before, its new aerodynamic design slicing through the wind while retaining the brute strength that made it a legend. The reimagined grille breathes dominance, flanked by adaptive LED light bars that blaze like lightning on a stormy night. Step inside, and the transformation continues. The cabin is no longer just a workspace, it's a command center. A 16-inch AI-powered touchscreen integrates seamlessly with voice controls, learning the driver's habits like a digital co-pilot. The fold-flat seats and panoramic glass roof create a sanctuary of steel and leather, blending rugged durability with first-class comfort. But beneath its chiseled hood, the F-150 concept hides its greatest trick yet. A twin-turbo V8 hybrid, delivering 750 horsepower, or an all-electric version with a staggering 900 kilometers of range. 0-100 kilometers height? Just 3.8 seconds. Rivals like the Tesla Cybertruck and Chevrolet Silverado EV are left scrambling to catch up. Projected to start at $75,000, it redefines value with performance, tech, and reliability. Yet, with high power comes complexity. Maintenance costs could rise, and long-term battery durability remains a question. But for those who crave unbreakable strength wrapped in cutting-edge ingenuity, the 2025 F-150 concept is the future of American dominance.